dream aeroplane. They're made in Kronstadt, that's the other side of Berlin, in Germany. Six-cylinder Lycoming engines. 230 knots max speed, they'll be close to that now. Incredible range, 650-mile range with full internal fuel from here to Berlin. We'll be talking about range later in the day when we talk World War II. Remember I mentioned that inverted circuit? Only they do it in formation. This might be pretty. That's to all the girls we love, and particularly the one who's making the tea and coffee for us at the moment. That sort of extreme flying can't really be done. Power weight ratio is not far off 1-to-1. The aeroplane is just running out of steam in a vertical climb, and it's going to hang on the propeller now.
It's only a 15.
That must feel awful.
Yeah. I'm like that.
If you would see a film of the pilots, tumble maneuver, if you were to see the film of the pilots flying, you would find they're wearing helmets, they're wearing crash helmets, bone domes, and you'll find their head is flying around the cockpit with the G. You have to have a very strong neck to cope with the weight of the helmet as well as your brain. Vital they maintain total consciousness as well, of course.